Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Delay Cream by the Bonus Collection. So let's get started. So this is the Delay Cream itself. And this comes in 100 milliliters. And this cream delays an orgasm and makes sure you can enjoy your erection for a longer period of time. The silky smooth formula feels very comfortable on your skin. So simply pop open the cap like so and squeeze a little onto your hands. It's a white cream. Close the cap completely and simply apply some cream to your penis and massage it in. It's very soft and smooth. And make sure to wait until the cream is completely absorbed into your skin before having sex. This is to make sure you don't numb your partner's skin as well. And that is the Delay Cream by the Bonus Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.